Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today guys, I am going to be teaching you how to do your own glueless wig. I'll be using hair from Ula Hair. So this is what the package came with, and these are the bundles of the hair. It came in different inches, so it's 20 inches, 22 inches and 24 inches. And then this is the texture of the hair. It is amazing guys, I love the texture. And then it came with the closure, and this is how the closure looks. I like the length of the closure, and yeah, it's a one-way closure. All you need for this, you need this wig cap, and then you put it on your mannequin, and then you pin it down exactly as I am doing. So yeah guys, you go ahead and do that. Don't forget to like this video, give this video a huge beautiful thumbs up, and also comment on the comment section. Let us interact on the comment section. So I'm pinning down the closure as well, exactly as I'm doing, and then I braid the closure so that it doesn't disturb me while I'm sewing in the bundles, and then you clip it with your clip like that. I'm gonna start with the 24 inches. The reason I'm starting with the 24 inches, I want my wig to have layers, so I want it to have length, I want it to be long and have layers, so that when I do curls it becomes easy for me. I won't have to cut layers, because already I have sewed in my wig in what do you call this, I've sewed in my wig, starting with the long length, medium length and the short length, so the layers will be already there. So this is how I sew in the wig. I prefer not to cut the corners of the wig. Instead, I like to bend it and reverse sew the hair exactly as I am doing. The reason for this is that one day when you decide to change maybe the wig and do it in a different closure, your bundles will still be the same and the length will still be the same. And if you don't cut the hair, like if you don't cut the hair weft, and your wig doesn't shed. But the moment you cut your hair, you're giving it space, you're giving it a gap, so the hair will start shedding. So I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, that's what it is. And also, if you decide to use the hair for something else, you are able to undo the wig and use the hair for something else without it being in pieces, in small pieces. So sewing in like this is preferable. I really like it, even though it's not easy to reverse. It's not easy to sew in reverse, and also turning in the corners. You need to make sure that you turn. When you turn, you make sure that you sew in the hair flat so that it doesn't do the bumps in the corners. So yeah. And then now I come in with the second bundle. So this is the second bundle. I sew it in like that. So guys, I think I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video, because there's nothing to explain here. I'm just gonna let it be, and then you just do the things. Before sewing in the last bundle, I decided to sew in the closure, so that I get a guide and it doesn't move when I sew in the third bundle. So I'm sewing it in exactly as I am doing. You start sewing the closure in the middle, and then you go forward, and then you reverse again so that it's extra secured, and then you proceed to the next side as well. You do the same thing. So yeah, that's what you do. And then when you are done sewing in the bundles, you want to go ahead and part your wig. I went ahead and parted it in the middle because the closure doesn't have like a huge space where you can part in different parts. So I decided to do the middle parting so that it's easy for me to shift the wig around. So yeah, I did that. You want to go ahead and hair dry the hair, and then when you're done, you cut the cap part that is covered by the closure. You cut it out exactly as I am doing, and then when you're done, you also cut before cutting the lace of the closure, you put in the gutters on the sides and on the loops that are on the sides of the cap. And then this is how you adjust the wig. A lot of people do this the wrong way, but this is the correct way of doing it, because you get to adjust your wig the way you want it, and the gutter doesn't get to be worn out easily. So you cut the closure parts as well, and then you put foundation so that it matches your skin tone, and then you go ahead and wear your wig. It's as simple as that. So this is the finished look. I love the texture of this hair and also the length. It is amazing and it suits me so well. So I really love this hair. Ula hair really did the things here. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. So this is the finished product. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. Don't forget to stay beautiful, and don't forget to respect others. And also I'm gonna see you on the next coming one. I love you all. I love you all so much. Yeah, bye.